Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Reichard with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com, your day planner, brought to you by Pounders Repair. You can find them at 345 East Commerce Street in Hernando, where they specialize in diesel repair and performance. We're going to have a cloudy day today with a slight chance of a shower around 8 o'clock. Temperature 56 degrees. Winds from the south at about 5 miles an hour today. At 11 a.m., cloudy and 60. 2 p.m., cloudy and 63. 5 o'clock this afternoon, still cloudy. Temperature around 59 degrees. I'm Sam Reichard. Enjoy your Tuesday.